project like this. Nice, empty project, elevators. Okay, so I've created my project, or it's trying to create the project, old computer, so. Okay, cool. Now we are here. Let me make this bigger because I know you probably can't see it very well. Actually, is everybody in the back able to see pretty okay? Okay, cool, thumbs up. All right, so the way I get to my working directory in Visual Studio is I right click on this FP Elevators up here, and then I click Open Folder in File Explorer, and this is where we want, like the folder that it opens right here, you can see it's 2 layers deep, so FP Elevators 1, then FP Elevators 2. This here is the working directory, and that's where I want all my starter files to be, and importantly, that's where I want all like the text files to be. So what I would then do, kind of my preferred method, is if I right click on my File Explorer down here, I can open up another window, leaving the other one back there. I can go to my downloads, and here are my starter files. I can go inside of here, and I can grab all of them with the Control A, and then just drop them into here. And I just put them directly into the working directory, rather than going through this like right click on source files and then add. That's kind of like the incorrect way of doing it. You want to put it inside the working directory itself. Then, once they're inside of that folder, I can go add existing items. It looks like it's gonna not cooperate today, so I would just have to find where I put that project. So I believe I have it stored inside of here. Let's see. Nice, so Final Project Elevators, and again, one layer deeper gives us the working directory. So I can just put this down for a second. All of my files there, and I should be able to successfully compile my project and run it. And again, this is the starter code, so nothing's going to be really implemented. But if I say load, save game, and play as human, you can see I don't really get any errors. And if I were to just prove to you very quickly that this is the working directory, I should be able to go to my File Explorer, find all of my text files, and maybe I decide I want to move them all outside of my working directory. So maybe I'll put them back in the incorrect folder here. Now if I try and run my project again, you're going to see that I'm going to get a slightly different error. I load the game, I watch, and I'll click enter, and at least in terms of Visual Studio, it's going to say, error when loading the file, please make sure that you've set up your project correctly. So you just have to go back and do it the way that I showed you how to do it. So that's all I have for you on Visual Studio.